dear friends! Welcome back to Ever's Vlog. For today's video, magluluto ako ng adobong manok. First thing to do is saute chopped onions, garlic, and drop little bit chilies. Add 1 kilo sliced chicken and continue saute until fat is render. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Seasoning mix, black pepper, laurel leaf, soy sauce, and vinegar. Mix and continue saute in high flame setting for about 1 minute. Add water. When sauce is reduced, you'll see more rendered fat coming out of the meat. Add lemon soda. Mix and make sure to get those toasted flavors on this pan. Let's eat! Thank you for watching.